Hey guys, today we're doing an unboxing of the Hello Kitty and Friends Fall Asleep. And we're also doing a Coca-Cola Labubu unboxing, so stay tuned. Okay, let's show you guys the characters. First we have little twin star Lala, and then we have Cinema Roll, My Melody, little twin star Kiki, Hello Kitty, Peckle, Bats, Manu, and Karomi and Pachako. And then we have the secret. Okay, so the secret is 1 out of 108 and the rest are 1 out of 9. So we're probably not getting that one. My favorite is the cinnamon roll, so hopefully we can get that one. Which one's your guys' favorite? Okay, now let's unbox. This is from Portmore. Oopsie. Guys, look at this. This is so cool. Well, that just came off like that. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's a blind bag inside this. So, let's stay tuned. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I think I have a feeling what we got. Let's move the box to the side. This packaging is so cool. Okay, let's rip it open. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, guys, we got My Melody. This one was definitely my second favorite. I'm so happy I got it. And these are the little accessories. I'm not really gonna assemble them now though. But stay tuned because we might do an assemble in another video. Now let's move on to the Coca-Cola Labubu. Hey everyone. This is part 2 of our unboxing. So now we're doing the Monsters Coca-Cola. Enjoy. Okay, so first let's start out by saying the ones I want and I don't want. Of course, I want the secret. And the chances are 1 out of 120. I'm pretty sure I'll get it. Anyway, the one I don't want is Crazy Ride. That's my least favorite. And my second least favorite is Gift Delivery. I don't know what's up with these two, but I just think the other ones are kind of cuter. Okay, let's unbox. I don't know what it is about these unboxings, but they're just way too much fun. I want you guys to see this part. Okay. I think unlike the last one, this is a surprise completely. So this will be really fun. I love the bag. Okay, let's move this box to the side. Wait, do you guys, I want you guys to see the card after so we don't spoil it. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. We are the monsters. This is so cute. Okay. Now this is what you guys have been waiting for. The unboxing. Let's see what we get. How cute. cups and the roses. This one is so adorable. Now let's see the card. Just wait here for 1 second. Look how cute this card is. This is super surprise. Definitely a super surprise for sure. Okay guys, we'll see you next time when we assemble the My Melody one and these two are together. Bye. Okay guys, we finally assembled it all, but there's a little special surprise we found. Can you guys guess what's different about one of these characters from our previous video? We'll give you 5 seconds. Okay guys, we gave you time. Now could you guess what it is? If you guys can't guess, it's the Coca-Cola bottle. And it's very, very cute. Let's also talk about our My Melody. She's so beautifully assembled. Look how cute this is. She can go outside, she can go to the pool, and then she can go back to her bed with her cute little stuffed animal. Okay, I think these are really cute. And if you didn't notice, the roses are fluffy. Fluffy, guys. I think they could be best friends, honestly. Okay, and that was the final video we have for you. So bye, and I hope you enjoyed our first unboxing.